Alright guys, welcome back to another one. This time we're doing some short shells. Now these are Factory Federal, 1 3/4 inch hull, 1200 FPS, 15 pellet, number 4 buck. We're gonna break one down, see how it's put together, and I've got one here that's actually the same thing but fired. This was a number one buck load is what this one here was. How many pellets was it? No, I'm sorry. It was a number 8 shot load. 15/16 ounces what this one was. I had some number 1 buck too, but I don't know where the hulls went. So, these are, of course, roll crimped. They're way too short to be ever fold crimped, unless you come up with something like a handmade hand kit. But to open this up, just got a flathead screwdriver. I'm going to pry the crimp up and take the components out. These are buffered loads. I will be going back with a roll crimp, of course, on these. These are hard to open. Plastic's thick. They're probably not skived or scabbed, however you say that word. Alright, I'm going to do this off camera just so you guys ain't got to, watch me. This is just going to save a little bit of time for the video. I managed to get it open. Wasn't easy. 12 grains of green dot. Just a shot cup. And of course an overshot card. 15 pellets of number 4 buck. And buffer. That's all this load is. This hull is actually a twice-fired hull. We're going back with the Winchester 209. You could also use your regular standard power Shadots, your Fiocchis, Remington primers if you have them. You could also use Fiocchi. Just any standard primer will work here. We're going back with 12 grains of green dot because that's what came out of the Federal hulls. I know you're not supposed to guess powder, but that was obviously green dot or Ilmar green. Now for a shot cup, we're using the Ballistic Product short shell wad. It's actually made by Wallendy, or Gwalandi, however you want to pronounce it. Cutting the base of the wad off, just leaving the shot cup. And here's the 15 pellets of number 4 buck out of the Lee mold, true 24 caliber. Mine are both tumbled and powder coated, but you don't have to powder coat them if you don't want to. I do recommend tumbling them though, because that will actually improve accuracy. Now I'm using a somewhat uncommon buffer here. It's Ballistic Products ITX buffer. You could also use number 47 original or just whatever buffer you want really. Now I'm using 2 3/4 inch bingo chips here for an overshot card. You could also use an actual overshot card if you want to, but I have bingo chips, so that's what I'm using. I'm using the Forest Camping roll crimp tool. It's made in Russia. You can get them under $20 shipped from Amazon or eBay when they're in stock. It doesn't put a taper on the holes, but it does an awesome roll crimp, and it works great for me. And there it is, guys. End result looks awesome. This was a original Federal mini shell. 1 3/4 inch, 15/16 ounce of number 8 shot. Went back with a Winchester primer, 12 grains of green dot. A shot cup off a Ballistic Product short shell wad. 15 pellets of number 4 buck. Mine were powder coated. Federals were not. ITX buffer, 2 bingo chip cards, overshot cards, and very nice roll crimp. Just figured some of you might want to see how to reload these mini shells. Now you can do it with any gauge, not just 12. 10 gauge mini shells might be fun if my new Browning BPS 10 will run them. Not sure if it will or not. Runs 2 3/4 inch just fine. Well, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one.